year ago, I was entrusted with the leadership of a young but struggling commission. Today, I report to you not only progress in numbers, but a deepened belief that government, when driven by compassion and purpose, can change lives, especially the lives of those often overlooked. To our dear senior citizens, you are never a burden. You are our pride.
And to our senior citizens, I salute you. You are the reason why we continue to push for legislation and programs that are just, inclusive, and compassionate.
Buhay ang National Commission of Senior Citizens. At naway, patuloy tayong magkasama sa ating kahig ito. Matatanda, ating mahalin.
To our nation, let this be our shared promise. We will not leave anyone behind in the journey of aging. This is the NCSC we are building. This is the Commission of Compassion. This is your commission, puso para sa mga nakatatanda. Magandang gabi.